Get the latest on what's going on this earnings season, meets, beats, and more in Zach's Earnings Scorecard.
Hey everyone, Eric Dutram here for Zacks.com, coming to you with the latest earnings news and analysis. Today we're taking a quick look at Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, ahead of their report on 11:15 before the bell. Now, Home Depot has had a very interesting stretch here over the last couple of months. Shares were moving up pretty nicely in the summer. There was a little bit of a downtrend lately, but since the election, shares have been moving up higher pretty nicely, and now we're back to a flat rate for overall for 2016. But what is kind of the trend here as we head into their earnings report and then looking ahead to 2017? Well, if we look to the chart right here, we can see that Home Depot has had a pretty flat track record in terms of its earnings estimate revisions as of late. We can see the 2016 figure right here, and then the 2017 figure right here as well. And both of these are pretty flat overall. We haven't seen much of a change for either one. The company does have an A for its VGM score, so there are some solid fundamentals building. But investors should note that the company does have a 4 or a Zacks rank sell right now, and it actually just moved down into that territory. So definitely not a good trend heading into the release for Home Depot, and especially considering that the company was just downgraded into sell territory within the past week. However, if we look once again back to the chart, we can see Home Depot does have a pretty good track record when it comes to beating earnings estimates, at least. As we can see right here, the company has not missed estimates at all in the last 5 years. Basically a perfect track record here over the last half decade. So a really good trend for Home Depot, and something that investors should consider heading into the release. So while we might see a beat from Home Depot, much like we've seen over the last 5 years, the overall trend is kind of sluggish, especially when you take into account a bottom 10% industry rank for the stock. That's all the time we have for right now. If you want more earnings news and analysis, make sure to head on over to Zacks.com and check out our earnings calendar for additional information. For Zacks.com, I'm Eric Dutram.